Come here. Come here, little guy.
What? What is it? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. I love you, babe.
Hey, Sam.
That gags when he smells weird things.
We're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Alexander
What's up?
Ah! Jesus fucking Christ, are you dinophilia? Okay. Oh my, what the fuck?
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Leora, sit. High five. Oh, I got the smartest cat in the world. Have a treat, there's your treat, baby. Enjoy that treat, baby.
Are you ready? Come on. Yay, bro.
And 17, you guys. This is Sheba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better person.
You know, I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Okay, so I just got home not too long ago and I was just laying in my bed watching some TikToks. And usually my cat comes and sleeps underneath the blanket right here, and I just got up and I went to go find her. And so like I can feel her right here, like she's sleeping right there. And so like I lift and I'm like, where? Okay, she's not under there. I go over here. I try to lift. And I'm like, okay, wait. And like you can see her body weighing down the like blanket, and I'm like, what the heck? She's not, I know she's not on top. And then I realize that this is a duvet cover, and she has gotten inside the duvet. Look at her. Oh, you are so precious. I love you.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
She gets right on top of them. Like, it's literally like a death grip. Oh my god. Ah! You guys, come on. Oh my god. And she still won't leave her alone. Like, how is that even possible? Oh, you guys. Oh my god. Okay.
Gabe, I got one question for you, right? Why the fuck's your cat sitting like this? What the fuck?
No! Miser! That's what I thought.
Hmm? What the fuck was that?
Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?
You okay, boy?
What?
Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wow!
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.